See your face in high-definition clarity wherever you go with Headzone Go. Out at night, in the car, at the office. Very bright, optically enhanced light lets you see yourself clearly, no matter the lighting conditions around you. Full panel illumination directs the light and reduces glare and shadows. Full range of natural sunlight colors from soft early morning to bright daylight. Control buttons for brightness and light color with a memory feature that remembers your last setting. Battery-powered and USB rechargeable, just like your phone. Runs 5 hours at full power between charges. Put yourself in the Headzone. Serious lighting tools for people on the go.